Hello and welcome back to step number 6 of the Midnight Grind. Today we're going to talk about how to get traffic into your funnel. So you got everything all configured, you got your email software set up, your integrations all configured, you got your page all edited, looking really nice and looking really smooth. You signed out for ClickFunnels, you're ready to go. Now it's just a matter of getting people into the funnel and actually getting real life clicks there. So I use a website called Udemy. Udemy is all about solo ads, and if you don't know anything about solo ads, basically they're real life clicks into whatever link you want to send people to. We could use Facebook. That's the kind of popular one right now, but unfortunately Facebook doesn't like affiliate offers, so they kind of frown upon them. So solo ads are basically the best way to go, and you know that if you put in, say you put in $100, you know that you're going to get X amount of clicks out of that, say 200 clicks out of that money. So you know exactly what you're going to get based upon how many, because you're buying per click. You're not just buying to get in front of people. Facebook has a tendency to just basically pay to get in front of people. This is just a little bit different. If you click that orange button to the left there and get to your free Udemy account, you'll come to this page here. You'll just hit sign up. I am already signed up, so then you'll eventually kind of come onto this page here where it'll just be kind of like your dashboard. Very first thing you do when you get to your dashboard is you want to go to affiliates, and you want to take this link right here, and you're going to want to bring it into the ClickFunnels editor and just put it on that account. So that way anyone that signs up underneath your affiliate ID in Udemy, and then people buy on that account or from that account, then you're going to get a kickback from all of those sales that those people make from your account. So if they follow this link, then you're gonna get kicked back as well, and you're gonna get eventually basically be able to completely buy your traffic for free. So that's the end goal. Not quite there yet, but hopefully we'll get there soon. Now after you get that affiliate link all squared away, you want to go to here where it says find seller, and then once you hit find sellers, you're going to have a whole list of different people that have these massive email lists. And basically the way that it works is that you pay Udemy, and then Udemy sends this message to each one of these sellers, and then they send an email out to their list or a portion of their list. And then once you get those amount of clicks that you paid for, then Udemy will pay them, and then you get your clicks, they get paid for it. It's a slick deal all around. Now I'll go through a couple of people, because as you look down this whole list, it looks like it's really overwhelming because it's just so many different people. But there's a few people that I know have had a good reputation, especially in the affiliate marketing space. So my very first one that I'll recommend is if you go to the top right here where it says keyword, I'll search a Desmond. And Desmond Akil Smith, if you click on his name, then right here you can click how many clicks you would like. Then after you decide how many clicks that you would like, you can also filter out those clicks. If you hit here where it says only top tier, then you're only going to get the best people off of his list, the ones that have typically shown to basically have some kind of return. Here you can type in your website. So like in my case, I'd put in the Midnight Grind. And then also you want to put in ad text. So ad text, you can put your subject, and then you can add your ad copy. You can use these emails right off of that very first page of the Midnight Grind, the email sequencing that we worked on in our last step. This way, it's probably better to have that ad text, so that way it's just not Desmond sending out his email to his list and his ad copy and everything. This is your first chance to kind of connect with those people that you're going to be promoting to, because you really want to try to promote that relationship and try to grow that, plant that seed, and just kind of watch it grow as you go along. Then if you scroll down a bit, you just hit add to cart, and then you can enter in your information. You can look and see. You can also find out a lot more information about Desmond, his thumbs up, disapproval rating, how many people have made money on them, how many people have not made money. And truthfully, a lot of people are just looking to try to grow their email list too. So even if they didn't make money with them, he's still been really fantastic, especially in the affiliate space. If you hit add to cart right here, and you confirm that you want 100 visitors, confirm what your subject is, your email is, and then you just put in money. You can see the price of what he's charging per click, and then here's your base price. So if I want 100 clicks, I'd pay Desmond $63, which is a very good deal because you know that those are physical people clicking on him each time you go. Now, if we go back a couple of times here, and right about here, and if we scroll down here a bit again, another one that I've heard good luck with in the past. Let's see if they're on the list. And here you can see how much per click, how much people have made, and then you can also see kind of their reputation score as well. So then you can quickly scroll down. You can see 50 cents, 35 cents. How many people are making money, how many reviews they have. I mean, here we got Anthony is a good one as well. So if you hit Anthony, he's from the UK, but he's had good luck in the US. Set the same way up, and then you have 100 visitors. You select only top tiers, so that way you know that those people are from the US, UK, Canada, and those different areas. And then they typically charge just about 10 cents more. So then you're talking 70 cents a click, and just the way you go. So that is it for my traffic source for the Midnyte Grind. This is how I get all of my traffic into that funnel. And then once you have those people on your list, then you can keep following up with them with various different affiliate offers. So it's just a matter of growing your list. Once you grow your list to the point of where you're breaking even on the list and you're able to get solo or people to sign up underneath your Udemy account, you're able to have those people in ClickFunnels that are also signing up under your affiliate offers. Eventually you're going to get to the point where you're breaking even, and then you're just promoting affiliate offers to that list, and you're in the green. So that's it for step number 6. We'll see you in the next one.